Hello everyone, my name is Nicole, and for those who do know me, I have never had the perfect skin, and I could not use anything on my face without breaking out and it just ending up being a mess. But I found the most amazing and easy skincare routine with top ingredients, high quality, and that is the one and only Shiloh Beauty from Perfect Shades Cosmetics. So I'm actually just going to briefly share with you the top 3 active ingredients in this range, how it benefits our skins, and what to use first, what to use secondly, and thirdly. So I'm just going to explain it to you, and it's going to be so easy for anyone to use. I want to start off by saying the skincare range is specially formulated for any skin type, And first, you are going to use the Radiant Image Deep Cleansing Vitamin C Face Wash. Okay, so the main purpose of this face wash is to actually remove the makeup, removing the dirt, and actually properly cleaning your skin. Okay, so this is amazing, and after you washed your face, you will actually see like your skin has a glow. So it really has skin brightening benefits, which I love because I have a dull skin, and now it doesn't look like I have a dull skin, so I love it. Okay, then next we will use the serum. The reason why I use serum first after you've washed your face, serum consists out of smaller molecules, so your skin is able to absorb it to a deeper level, and then it can do its job properly. And then after your serum, you will use the day and the night cream. So the face wash consists out of vitamin C. That is one of the active ingredients, vitamin C. Then in these two, the day and the night cream and the serum, the top active ingredients are vitamin C, niacinamide, and glucosamine. But what is that? All right. So niacinamide repairs the skin, and glucosamine prevents any damages for in the future. All right, so if you use these 3 products together, you will have the following benefits: minimizing and diminishing pores, redness, fine lines, and wrinkles. It keeps your hydration in the skin, so it maintains hydration as well as elasticity. Evens out the skin tone, lighting, it lightens the marks and the pigmentation on your skin, and it's for any skin type. Especially me, I break out when I use anything. I have not been breaking out at all. I have some acne scarring, but you know, skincare is like a diet. You need to stick to it to see long-term results too. You'll see immediate benefits and results, but you also need to stick to it to see even more results. So I'll actually share my journey with you and show you how it lightens all my acne scarring. So I'm really excited about this. All right, so another thing I just wanted to add is niacinamide, like I said, repairs. Glucosamine prevents. Glucosamine also inhibits melanin production. It also accelerates cell repair, and it also stimulates the skin to produce hyaluronic acid. So what that basically means, it plumps up the skin too. So I'm really excited about this skincare range. The skincare range is serum based. If you put on the day and the night cream and you actually massage it into the skin, you will feel little beads. Those are titanium dioxide. So the skincare range has a self-exfoliator in it, so please do not use any additional exfoliators. I mean, these 3 steps, these 3 products, they do it all, and it's for any skin type. It's affordable, it's high quality. I know we always invest so much in skincare products, which does absolutely nothing to our skins because the ingredients are not what our skins need. So please do not hesitate. Please ask any questions, or if you have any queries, contact them. They are amazing, and I'm really excited to be sharing my journey with you. And I mean, like I said, I've only used these products for about 2 weeks, not even a full 2 weeks yet, and I've already seen so much improvements. For example, I can see the hydration, I can feel the hydration. It diminished my dullness of my skin. I'm not breaking out anymore. So I'm so excited. So please, please, ladies, this is your answer. Okay, so I'm so excited to see you in my next video. And I hope this helped and simplified it, because I know most of us do not really understand skincare. I wasn't educated about skincare, so I didn't know what to use, what to do, until I was educated by the right people, like Shiloh would. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I look forward in seeing you soon. Okay, goodbye.